Homegrown tomatoes, tasty and fun. Growing your own tomatoes is rewarding. You get fresh, delicious food right outside your door. Gardening is a fun activity for all ages. It's a great way to connect with nature. Plus, you know exactly what's going into your food. No harmful chemicals. Tomatoes are versatile. Use them in salads, sauces, sandwiches, and more. Preparing your tomato home soil and pots. Tomatoes need good soil to grow strong. Use potting mix from the store. Choose pots that are at least 12 inches wide. This gives roots space to grow. Make sure your pots have drainage holes. This prevents roots from sitting in water. Add some compost to the soil. Compost adds nutrients that help plants thrive. Choosing the right tomatoes for small spaces. Not all tomatoes are the same. Some grow tall, others stay small and bushy. For small gardens, choose determinate varieties. These grow to a certain size and then stop. Cherry tomatoes are a good choice. They produce lots of small sweet tomatoes. Look for tomato varieties labeled patio or dwarf. These are perfect for pots. Sunshine, water, and keeping pests away. Tomatoes love sunshine. Place your pots in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Water your tomatoes regularly. Stick your finger in the soil to check for moisture. Protect your plants from pests. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to keep bugs away. Check your tomato plants for signs of disease. Remove any leaves that look yellow or spotty. Section 5. Clever tricks for more tomatoes. Give your tomatoes support. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to help them grow upright. Pinch off the suckers. These are small shoots that grow between the main stem and branches. Fertilize your tomatoes every few weeks. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Harvest your tomatoes when they are red and ripe. Enjoy them fresh or use them in your favorite recipes. Section 6. Time-lapse. Watch your garden grow. Time-lapse is a fun way to see your garden grow. Set up a camera to take photos every few hours. You'll be amazed at how much your plants change each day. Time-lapse helps you learn about plant growth. You can even share your time-lapse videos online. Show off your gardening skills to friends and family. Time-lapse is a great educational tool for kids too. It brings the magic of nature to life. Section 7. Tomatoes for sale. From garden to table. If you have extra tomatoes, why not sell them? People love fresh, homegrown produce. Set up a small stand in your yard or at a local farmer's market. Offer different varieties and sizes. Provide recipe ideas to inspire your customers. Share your passion for gardening. You can also sell your tomatoes online. Create a website or use social media to connect with buyers. Section 8. Sustainable gardening. Good for the earth. Growing your own food is good for the environment. You reduce your carbon footprint by eating locally. Save water by using a rain barrel. Collect rainwater to water your plants. Use natural pest control methods instead of harmful chemicals. Protect pollinators like bees and butterflies. Compost your food scraps to create nutrient-rich soil. Reduce waste and give back to your garden. Section 9. Conclusion. Enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Growing tomatoes at home is a rewarding experience. You get fresh, delicious food and connect with nature. By following these tips and tricks, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest, even with limited space. Remember to choose the right varieties, provide proper care, and get creative with your gardening. So, get out there, get your hands dirty, and experience the joy of growing your own food.